Oh. Oh. Welcome to EOTD. Welcome to EOTD. 你觉得अच्छा लगता है गाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है गाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है गाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है गाना such a weird song to like मुझे मृगा ने सुनाया था right? I was going through a bad period और मुझे मृगा ने सुनाया था and it was in Inakshi's car and I was so in awful mood I was in an awful mood ठीक है and I had been in that this is around the time of 500 EODDs चल रहे थे ठीक है and I was in an awful mood okay and it's so anyways it was brutal okay and ये लोग मुझे यहाँ लाए and हम लोग एक सेक्टर 50 मार्केट होती है नोएडा में ठीक है so we वो हमारा गेट I have good friends touch wood हम लोग थोड़ा कैसे like मुझे हम लोग बहुत ड्राइव पे जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ ठीक है so we were on a हम लोग ड्राइव मुझे that's how all of my friends cheer me up okay and that's how it's the best thing in the world driving it's the best thing in the world hands down anyways so हम लोग वहाँ से we went to the sector 50 market and we're trying to pick up booze okay and I am drunk but we were trying to pick up some booze and they at this point they're annoyed you know like Vinayak bro kitna like ye kitna roega like you know like I wasn't crying but I was in an awful mood like bro ye gana sun lega Vinayak मैंने आँख से कहा यार इसका गाना सुना and they had been vibing on and it starts like this is gonna be a पर हम कारपूल बहुत करते हैं. That's true, that's right. बस अब सुन. It does for me. It's because no one is joining. It's not because आपको नहीं दिखा रहा है. It's because there is no one. That's चाहे 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 साथ भी नीचे हो गया. चाहे किसी के साथ भी तुम काली रात किया चाहे किसी के साथ भी तुम काली रात किया के साथ भी तुम काली रात किया करो. क्या हाल है सृष्टि? पर जब हमसे मिलते पर जब हमसे मिलते हो पर जब हमसे मिलते हो इज्जत से बात किया करो. चाहे किसी के साथ भी तुम काली रात किया करो. अच्छा गाना है. कैसा? बेइंतहा मोहब्बत की थी तुमसे, ऐसी भी क्या खता हो गई हमसे. बेइंतहा मोहब्बत की थी तुमसे, ऐसी भी क्या खता हो गई हमसे. मेरा जिस्म तो रोंद चुके हो, बस रूह मेरी बाकी है. बस इतना बता दो मुझको कि तुम्हें क्या कैच था भाई. क्रेजी कैच. This reminds me of that Cats जो हमने वो किया था EOTD पे. Remember EOTD कह रहा हूँ, the time we went live on YouTube और हमने साथ में किया था and the thing fell on me when I was like you I want you. वाह भाई बहुत crazy catch था Trana Height. This is fucking insane. I am so proud of myself right now. पता आज Trana Height यहाँ पूरा लंडन कॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक TD खेल रहा था. तो मैं बहुत जीता भाई, बहुत बट हाँ मैंने बहुत पेला आज. बहुत बड़ा मज़ा आया, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया. वो मैंने पूरे लंदन कॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक को फिर सबको हरा दिया. It was so fun भाई. इतना मजा आया. इंटेंस मैच हो रहे थे, ठीक है ना. ऐसा भी नहीं, कुछ मैचेस इतने ज्यादा इंटेंस हो गए थे. Oh, it was so much fun. आज हमारा एक्चुअली टेक्निकली लास्ट लेक्चर था, तो हम लोग वी जस्ट हंग अराउंड, मस्ती कर रहे थे एक लेक्चर्स के बीच में. फिर हम लोग बाहर गए, हम लोग पार्क में बहुत सारी दारू पी सबने. हमें तो सब सेंटी भी हो रहे थे, मैं भी बहुत सेंटी हो रहा था. अब the funny part is the age group of how like हम लोग the youngest one is probably 23 and the oldest one is I think 40. Okay, and it there was a huge age group thing, so it was very interesting. Anyways, I'm so tired of. पता मैं I was so into yesterday, मेरा इतना मूड खराब था because I was panicking about all this. There's this huge project जो मेरा शुरू हो गया और बहुत intense चल रहा है. So मैंने पता है कल क्या किया था after EOTD. I watched Bahubali and it was the best decision of my life. I am full Maheshwati zone. It was the best decision ever. It's like Community की cast. It was literally like Community ka, but a lot of people, like I think they're still there, and I had to run because मेरे को EOTD करना था. I was like, what's the time? And I saw, and and she was like 8:40, and I was like, oh shit, and that was halfway across the globe. So I fucking ran. I waited for a stupid bus which did not come. Then the bus was like, I was like, where? Then I reached. That's why I'm late, and I'm sorry. Anyways. But that was cool. Neha, yeah, yeah, I can see it. Oh, you don't see it at all. I think, oh, I know what you mean. This is a new update, no? This is weird. It's weird. I'm sorry you're going through this. Anyways, what I can do is maybe say it out loud. This is joint. Like, does that help? Does that help? I don't care about the word right now. If that's what you like, it's. I can see the number increase, but can you see who's there? Like, can you see the people who are there? If you can see it, then though, why would I say it? Like, if you can click on the Vinayagoda thing and you can see the names. It's like we have a classroom and like you will notice someone who will enter the classroom. Oh, okay, then it's chill. Then it's, I think, yeah, but it is an extra step, no? I think you'll get used to this. I think you'll get used to this. But this is annoying. You'll have to keep pressing the shit. Like, I know, like, especially like you might think Janvi's here, and you're like, oh, Janvi's not here. Now who is this person? It's like, okay, it's Neha. But like, even if it would come, so you don't have to work. You don't have to. I get what he's saying. You don't have to check fucking things. Like, it is a changing element in the equilibrium. Wow, that was good choice of words. No, I'm learning from you. Har hang logam. That's true. That's true. How was the sentence? Ah. If something bothers you about that line, you can tell me. Don't wait, because Vinayak felt this is a cool line. But I love that line. It felt academic. I mean, why not? It is a stability place. It is the most stable place, I think. It is where the stability occurs. It is a stabilitist. It is equilibrium. I mean, this is the reference point. Like, it is the, and it goes both ways. I still think it's a good choice of words. No! Why would that be equilibrium? Oh! You never thought you'd hate this from an angle, no? No, कुछ भी बकवास. It is बकवास. It से मेरा literally मन बकवास था. Thank you. I also like it. Good night. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Try to hide. Sorry. नहीं और नीचे जाते हैं Happy birthday और नीचे जाते हैं Happy birthday to you Happy birthday और नीचे जाते हैं Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you मेरा पेस बहुत ऑफ है Happy birthday Happy birthday Happy birthday try to hide Happy birthday ये तो बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है to you May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. To you. That is a man. भाई इस ऑक्टेव में ना बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए हमें बहुत अच्छा ऑक्टेव है like I'm so bad at this let's really do this octave I really like this what was the first song that you did because इसमें मैं बहुत ऑफ गाता हूँ मतलब if I put a pitch correction software ना this is the part where I go really off like ये वाला part मेरे को बहुत पूरा है मेरा I think I like this anyways what was the first song that we did जाए किसी के साथ भी Trying to hide फ़ोन आ रहा था. बाय बाय.